Oh, John from Thetford here. So with the toilet, you have a flush button. Press that, that will operate the water flushing system. Handle on the front, you open it, which opens the cassette, and then you flush everything down into the bottom tank. When the tank's ready for emptying, you'll get a red warning light on the top. This comes on around about 85% full, so if it goes red in the middle of the night, you don't have to panic. There's enough space to see you through. Now if you start to see water appearing over the top of the cassette, could be a sign that the seal is not sealing properly. So the way to check it is, half fill the bowl with water and let it sit. It should stay there. If it gradually seeps away and then ends up over the top of the tank, it's time to replace your seal. So what I'm going to show you here is how to change the seal in this cassette. Now if you notice this rather large ring here, this is a removable mechanism on this model, and we do have an arrow against the circle here, and we're going to twist this till the arrow moves to the other circle. So how we do that is remove the slider, put it in the other way because we're going to use this as a lever, and then just twist it anti-clockwise till it gets to stop. Then you can lift it, the whole mechanism out. Now the seal is lying underneath this flange. So what we do now is slacken all the screws off. You can lift off the flange, lift it up, pull the seal out, and then just replace it with a new one. Lubricate it as I said it before use, and the jobs are good. I'd also recommend using Thetford products. These are made and extensively tested in-house on our toilets. We know these products will prolong the life of your toilet. If you want any more information on Thetford products, go to our website, thetford.com.au.